Did you know that a group of enslaved people not only defeated Napoleon's army, but accidentally doubled the size of the United States? In the 1790s, Saint-Domingue was France's richest colony, a small island producing more sugar and coffee than most of the world combined. It ran on the labor of 500,000 enslaved people. Then those people rose up. Led by figures like Toussaint Louverture, the rebellion grew into something no empire had seen before, a full revolution. Enslaved people fighting not just for freedom, but for a nation. Napoleon sent his brother-in-law and 40,000 soldiers to crush it and restore slavery. Yellow fever took thousands of them. Haitian fighters took the rest. By 1803, France had lost the island and the dream of a new world empire with it. So Napoleon did the only thing left. He sold the Louisiana Territory to the United States for about $15 million, 828,000 square miles, just like that. The people he tried to re-enslave reshaped a continent.